Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to identify news you can trust about TikTok. So I will tell you that how to identify news you can trust about TikTok. So the first is thing that you will open the TikTok app officially. So how to identify on the misinformation from here. So I will just go back and search on Google that TikTok recent news. So Google is the best way to know that news of recent TikTok. So I will just tab on the first one of this TikTok newsroom. So after loading here, so you will see, so there is the TikTok files emergency motion for injections. So just tab on to accept it all. So here is the official TikTok news, which is every day updated. You will see there is a number 6 information, the TikTok statement on DC Circuit Court of Appeals decisions. The Supreme Court has an established historical record of protecting. So here you will see, you will just scroll down, so you will just get previous news. But if you want to just see the latest news, which is absolutely correct, then watch it on TikTok news official website. So this is the correct answer of your question. So if you want to see the more thing like product, which is a latest launch, so you will just tab on product. So here you will see the TikTok shop Black Friday Cyber Monday, and whatever you want to know about TikTok, absolutely right news, you will just visit it. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.